In this video, I'll explain step-by-step how to transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards from your Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve travel credit cards to Virgin Atlantic Flying Club. A couple reasons why I like Virgin Atlantic. One, they are transfer partners to several flexible bank travel cards such as BILT, Chase Sapphire, American Express, Citi Premier, and Capital One Venture. Therefore, you are able to transfer points from several travel cards to Virgin if you do not have enough points from one card. Number two, Chase has a 30% discount right now through November 15, 2023 when transferring points from Chase Ultimate Rewards to Virgin. If you're interested in any of the mentioned travel credit cards, check out my recommended travel credit card link located below. For this illustration, we will be planning a one-way trip to Dublin from Boston. Generally, you will want to check to make sure there is a good deal before transferring any points. On Virgin Atlantic Airlines website, on May 5th, there is a business class flight for only 48,500 miles and $287.80 for fuel tax. Applied a 30% discount when I transfer the points, it equals 33,950 points. The discount does not apply to the fuel tax. I usually like to look up the cents per point ratio to make sure it is above 2 cents per point. When paying cash, this business class ticket costs $5,365, making the CPP ratio close to 15 cents. This is a great deal and I want to book it. Log in to your Chase account and click Ways to use your points. On the next page, bypass travel and pay with points. Scroll all the way down to Transfer to Travel Partners and click Transfer Points. Next, click the Virgin Atlantic Transfer button. A pop-up window will appear directing you to enter your membership number from the airline program. Then another window will appear directing you to enter the number of points you need to transfer. Enter the number you need. Once you click Complete Transfer, the points should appear in your Virgin Atlantic account within minutes. Now, go back to the Virgin Atlantic and book your flight. This particular flight is through Virgin's airline partner, Air France. Booking directly with Air France will require 284,000 miles for business class. If you want to travel more and spend less, like and subscribe for more travel tips.